information about what is a cell, the cell theory. Okay, first of all, we are going to review this part in which we have the cell is the structural and functional unit of living beings. Its definition is given by Scaling and Schwann in 1838 and 1839. Then we have, okay, here we have some information about Matthias Scaling in 1804, 1881. He was a botanical from Germany. He affirms in 1838 that every plant is made up of cells. Here we have some pictures to illustrate this information. Then we have here the affirmation of Theodor Schwann in 1810-1882. He was a botanical from Germany, and he affirms in 1839 that every animal is made up of cells. Then we have here the primitive cell theory, in which we can read some information about the cell is the unit of structure, organization, and functioning, physiology of living beings. And also we have here the cell maintains a dual existence as a single distinct entity and as building block of multicellular organisms. Cell form is a similar way to crystal formation, spontaneous generation. This was wrong information that we can read here. After that, we have some information about Rudolf Birch. He was a German physician and politician. He was born in 1821 and he died in 1902. In 1858, in the book Cellular Pathology, he says in the cells the metabolic reaction of the organism, and he affirms the omnicellula e cellula. He said that every cell comes from another cell. Walter Fleming described the chromatin in 1882, and he published a work in which he explained that the cell, before divided, must replicate the famous DNA. Santiago Ramón y Cajal in 1852 and 1934, he has a cell portrait in which in 1888 his principle about the individuality of the nerve cell, and in 1906 he was the Nobel Prize with Golgi. Okay, we have here in the picture some cell types. Basically we have two, the first one the prokaryotic and the other one the eukaryotic. The difference between these two are the cells occur in their relation to size and their internal organization. Okay, on the picture we can see some things about the structure of the cellula prokaryota. In the picture we have the animal cell, and the other one we have the vegetal cell, in which we have some difference and some similarities. We can observe these two cells. Finally, we have here a chart in which it can include some difference and similarities. And here we have the reference. Thanks for watching this video. See you the next time. Thank you. Bye bye.